Ever wondered how to make the famous chicken tikka masala at home? This beloved Indian-inspired dish has won hearts across the globe with its rich flavors. Originating from the vibrant kitchens of Punjab, it's a harmonious blend of marinated and grilled chicken, immersed in a creamy tomato-based sauce. The symphony of spices, the tangy tomatoes, the tender chicken, and the dash of cream all come together to create a culinary masterpiece. Stay with me as I guide you through the process of creating this delightful dish. The first step is to prepare the marination for the chicken. We'll need a blend of aromatic spices and creamy yogurt to create the perfect marinade. Start with a cup of plain yogurt as our base. To this, add 2 tablespoons each of ginger and garlic paste. These will give our chicken that rich, deep flavor we're after. Next, we'll introduce a medley of spices. This includes a tablespoon of turmeric, red chili powder, and ground coriander each. These spices will not only infuse our chicken with flavor, but also give it that beautiful, vibrant color. Add a pinch of salt to taste. Now, mix everything together until well combined. Once our marinade is ready, introduce the chicken pieces to it. Make sure every piece is well coated with our flavorful concoction. The chicken should then be left to marinate for a minimum of 2 hours, though overnight is ideal. Once the chicken is well coated with the marinade, let it rest to soak up all the flavors. Now that our chicken is marinated, it's time to cook it. We'll start by firing up the grill. Aim for a medium-high heat, about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature will ensure our chicken cooks evenly without burning the exterior. Slide your marinated chicken pieces onto the grill, leaving a bit of space between each piece to allow the heat to circulate. Close the grill lid and let the chicken cook undisturbed for about 10 minutes. As the chicken cooks, you'll notice it starts to change color. It will transform from a raw pink to a succulent white with beautiful char marks from the grill. After 10 minutes, flip the chicken over and let it cook for another 10 minutes. Once the chicken is fully cooked, you'll notice that it's no longer pink in the center and the juices run clear. At this point, you can remove it from the grill and let it rest. Once the chicken is cooked to perfection, set it aside as we prepare the masala. The secret to chicken tikka masala's unique taste is in its masala. Now let's roll up our sleeves and prepare the heart of this dish. You'll need a blend of spices, 2 teaspoons each of cumin and coriander, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of chili powder for that kick, and a sprinkle of garam masala for that authentic Indian touch. Start by heating up a dollop of ghee in a pan. Once it's hot, add finely chopped onions and sauté until they're golden brown. Then, introduce minced garlic and grated ginger to the mix. Stir it up until the aroma fills the air. Now, add your spice blend and stir well. Let it cook for a minute or two to allow the flavors to meld together. Next, add pureed tomatoes and let it simmer until it thickens into a deliciously aromatic sauce. Mix in the cooked chicken, let it simmer for a while, and voila! Your chicken tikka masala is ready to be served. So there you have it. A simple step-by-step guide to making chicken tikka masala at home. We started by marinating the chicken in a flavorful blend of spices, then grilling it to perfection. The creamy masala, prepared with a tomato base and aromatic spices, is the heart of this dish. Each step, from marination to masala, contributes to the rich, complex flavors that make chicken tikka masala a beloved dish worldwide. Enjoy this delightful dish with some hot naan or rice, and don't forget to share your experience with us. Happy cooking!